Hey guys, welcome back. It's Fast iPod Touch 11Z here, and today I'm just going to show you what is on my iPod Touch. I'm not going to go into everything, but I'll show you guys some of the stuff. So, stick to it. First of all, background. Here is the little frog that came with it, the slide unlock, and got the standard screen. This is my favorite app right here, Free Memory. Just go to the App Store and search Free Memory 1.4. Basically what it does is it kills all your processes that you're not using. So right here it shows you what how much free memory you have on your device. If you're using your iPod to listen to music, or if you're using Safari or Mail, things like that. It takes up your free memory and it causes your iPhone or your iPod Touch to run slower. And this number will dip down below like 20 or whatever. If you hit this button here, free memory, see it says free up to 20 megabytes of free memory. You just hit that button, and I have more than 20 megabytes open right now, so it's not going to do anything. But it kills all your processes, gives you a little bit more runtime memory. It's awesome. It's like 99 cents, but it's totally worth it. See over here, got Facebook, Sportacular. I really like that app for sports. Let's see, WeatherBug's a good one. I play chess a lot on this one called Chess with Friends. Twitterfon is a good Twitter app right here. Let's see, movies. That's definitely Netflixer. That's the best movies app out there, I think. This one right here. You open this, and you have a whole list. It gives you a little ad, but it goes totally away, so it's not like it hurts you or whatever, or gets in the way. But here it shows you a list of all the titles opening this week. So we got Crank 2, High Voltage, 17 again, not something I'm going to see. What's that say? Sleep Dealer, just it's got your top box office that you can click on a movie, get a review. It's really great, really easy to use. Let's see, got some games. I'm in the browser right here. This browser is called Aquari. It's like Safari, but Aquari. And I like using this browser because, like I said, sometimes you surf the web with Safari, and it just like takes away your runtime memory, and you have to like hold the home button to close it, and it's just really annoying. So sometimes I use this, and basically you can have your bookmarks. You've got a search box here. Type in your web address right here. There you go. Hit that. It's really easy to use, and you can do tabs as well, like right here and stuff. So it's called Aquari. Yahoo is a great app. IM Plus is really good for IMing if you use AIM or Windows Live Messenger, that type of thing. Basically, I got this dictionary app. Just got this. Is really great. You don't even have to have the internet to use it, because all the information for the dictionary is on your phone or on your iPod. It's really good. I got the Google app, Pocketpedia, and the user guide that you just get as a web clip. That you have it on there just in case somebody at my family wants to use it and they don't know what they're doing. So keep that at the very end. But that's my iPod, guys. All right, thanks.